will ask a question. I will ask a question. If the person say no, then I will drop the expectation management. There's no need to continue. If the person say yes, then it's going to feel everything in expectation management based on your own guidance. Now listen to this. You tell him you have started a business. How you explain the business is very important. Let me just take like 3 minutes to explain this business. Now I told somebody, I read a book. I used to tell my story. I read a book, Read That Poor Dad. Abi, listen to this. When I read That Poor Dad is telling me that for me to be wealthy, I must have my own business. Can I say build your own business?
Build your own business.
Use the word build. Build your own business. Then everything I have been doing, now when I have strength, I must invest it towards the time that I will not have strength again. Hello? Then I've been looking for ways to build my own business. I've been going around seeing big business owners and all those things. Then I see that there are 3 criteria to build your own business. The first one is big capital. Can I say big capital?
Big capital.
Write it down. Just educate them. If you educate people, I'm telling you, willingly, they will do what you tell them to do. To every no, there's still a kind of misconception, a kind of hindrance, a kind of, let's say, lack of knowledge. To every no, people tell you. Then I've discovered that, so I reduce my no by educating you before I even pull out the expectation management. Now, big capital. And you say, according to the business of 21st century, a book written to support the business of 21st century, you need $5 million US. And I say $5 million US.
$5 million US.
See that money. Put yourself into consideration. Why do I want to see a kind of big money like that? Sometimes of comparing, bringing it down to Naira. I told him I did IT in a place, and that man invested 75 million naira to start his fisheries business. Hello? 75 million naira is not a bean, so. One day I was asking him that I want to do fisheries business. He was telling me, if I have 1 million naira, I should take it to ShopRite and do shopping. For you. He told me if you rear fish not in large quantity, you are just rearing fish for the marketer. Because at the same time, you and marketer will break even. Let's say is 50 naira. Marketer will give 50 naira also for not hearing anything. But if you do it in large quantity, you have chances. So if you start business with low capital, people in business ni. Hello? So I don't have that kind of value. The second one is value. Can I say value?
Values.
And before you can produce value, listen to this. You need product or service that is essential. Write it down. Essential. Everybody must need it every day. Now, if you have product or service that is not essential, everybody needs it every day, you have just produced another vagabond product. Now, where do you want to see the idea? That's why you see rich people that they have other people's ideas to bring out their product. And the last one, they call it team. Can I say team?
Team.
You need leverage. That's team. You need series of people working for you. I made an example. That example used to open people's eyes. Now listen to this. The Futas guy is employing like 100 people and he's paying them 20,000 naira salary. Salary to one guy, he get 50,000. Now the question is, you see 50,000 long man times 100 people. Abi, that's 5 million naira. Abi, I hope you are listening to me. Then 20,000 times 100 people. Hello, 2 million naira. Oh, get 3 million naira. No, my question is, who is working, who is getting the whole lot of money? Hello, I hope you are getting me. Then carry them to another level. Let's tell your level, carry them to another level.
Carry them to
what if these people that you are trained, they are 1,000, not 100. That's 50 times 1,000. That's what? 50 million naira. Then he's paying 20 times 1,000. That is what? 20 million naira. Instead of 3 million, it has gone to 30 million. What if these people are 10,000? It will now be 500 million naira to the same 200 million naira. 300,000. The bigger the team, the bigger the success. the idea of build your own
Team.
So you don't just register somebody and they will tell you I don't want to recommend. They have seen the reason why they must recommend. But you are not telling them straight up. What killed most of our business? Where are you going, sir? This sell meeting, come and sit down. What killed most of our business is because we are not acting like a businessman. We are straight talkers. Businessmen are not straight talkers. They find ideas and everything around the point they want to prove to you. Then by the time they are just throwing that idea to you, you are picking it once. Hello? Then after that thing you say, this team, Ogata, ó wá láàrú gbọdọ̀ pé, àbí? I hope you are getting me. What if all these things are doing anyhow? What if I don't even have salary in a month to pay them? So how do I want to go about it? Then I follow the principle of Olusegun Obasanjo. They call it partnership value and leverage. I don't say partnership value and leverage. Olusegun Obasanjo find an already existing company that has been existing for years and he partnered with them. Hello? After partnering with them, this company they are the one producing the value of telecommunication service. Abi? Olusegun Obasanjo does not study telecommunication engineering. For him to be a partner. Then the last one, they are leveraging on Nigeria population as of 2018, over 60 million people are what? Are subscribers to MTN, in which is anyone naira on them. And if they move to 60 million people, it means it's any 60 million naira in every 5 days that 60 million people are loading their credit. Now, what if they move to 100 million people? In which Olusegun Obasanjo himself cannot stop. That means if MTN subscriber do 60 million law, it means he has launched himself into automatic wealth. Hello? Then me myself, I saw an already existing company. What are the criteria to see this company? You tell them businesses are stage, just like my oga has told us. We have formulation stage. The second one is what? Momentum. Then we have formulation. No. It's four. Formulation. There's one. There's one before moment. Thank you. Formulation, concentration, momentum, and stability. Now, you see, business in formulation stage, they are not up to 5 years. Business in concentration stage, they have not been making income or annual income up to 100 million naira. Sorry, is it 100 million US dollars? 100 million US dollars. While business in momentum stage have been making income more than 100 million US dollars, it means they have a duplicable system. While business in stability stage has spent over 100 years and they are still existing. These are businesses like Coca-Cola. Hello? Now, the best business to partner with are not business in formulation or concentration stage. They can crash. 90% of good business crashes in their first 5 years. I hope you are getting me. The best business to partner with are business in their momentum stage. Then I look around and this business was presented to me. They told me this is the annual income they are generating, and they told me they have spent more than 5 years. Today, they are marking their own 15 years now. Hello? So I find it so easy to partner with a global. Hello? I hope you are getting me. Then what is the value they are producing? They are producing naturalistic products and wearable technologies, which cannot even come to my head. The only value I could produce is fish. Hello? So, but they are producing this one and leverage. I don't even leverage. They gave me a DTC to leverage, to build, to keep on building systems. So I'm building my own team. Hello? As I'm building my own team, all this thing is happening. Just using of the system, my own people are coming to the business and they are enjoying and they are enjoying the system and the whole team is getting large. I hope you are getting what I'm saying, in which I cannot stop. So I partnered with them. Then I am asked on how I can proceed. How do I proceed? There is a structure of conversation, there is a system, and there is mentorship. As always, mentorship. Then that I was about asking a question: how can I get to the stage of the financial freedom? Then I was shown these 3 formula. As always, say BCK. Building is you need 80% skills, Listen to this. Listen to the formula. 80% skill and 20% attitude. Listen to this. Building is when you are trying to get people into your business. You are just trying to get people. Hello, you are not concerned how these people stay. You are just concerned about people. So you are people oriented. People come into my business, people come into my business, people come into my business. But before you can get people into the business, you need skills. Can I get skills?
Skills.
All these skills, 80% skills, is designed in a system we call SMO. Can I say SMO?
SMO.
Standard method of
operation.
It means you can go through our 30 days challenge. To go through the SMO, you will have the 80% skills. Hello? Now, I opened somebody's eyes yesterday. I was like, okay, do you know all these people that are coming to your business? It's like you try to pack 1,000 broomsticks without a rope. What will happen? In a few days, you will lose all of them. Then the rope is knowledge. And what is the knowledge? Knowledge. The rope to band all these people together, the rope to make all these people work together with you is knowledge. And what is the knowledge? Now, it's like you are trying to coach them. You need 50% skills and 50% attitude. Why? Because you are trying to pass your knowledge. You want people to work with you. So people plus people plus people plus people form your own team. Listen to this. Then the last one is keeping. How do you keeping?
Keeping.
You need 90% attitude and 10% skill. Why? Because you need a lot of people. This place, a lot of them can do what you are doing because you have teach them how to do it. But if you don't have the foundation, which is the skill, and when we are talking about the skills, you need knowledge. Now, what is the knowledge? Knowledge. So at this stage, it is not that you are trying to make those people to work with you. You are trying to make those teams to work with each other, one another. Either you are there or you are not there, they can work with one another and they can form team plus team plus team to build a whole organization. And it is that organization that can give you financial freedom. Then the question is, do you want financial freedom?
Do you?
Hello?
Yes.
Then another question, are you ready to build business? Yes. You know it starts from building. Alright, once you are ready to build the business, me and you, we are going to run a game plan. I'm going to get your commitment. I'm going to get my own commitment also. I'm very busy and I'm sure you are very busy. So let's work on a considerable time that fits the two of us. Then you bring out
expectation management firm. Whoa.
Hello.
Appreciate him.
Because if you bring out the expectation management to somebody that does not know what to do, everything the expectation management is jargons over jargons.
Cool. So
now how do you go with the expectation management? So quick. Think about why you said yes to this business. For you to say yes, for you to make that decision, something struck in you. There's something you really want to do. I mean, don't just read, know how to explain. There's something you really want to do. Write short summary of why you joined. What is it you are going to do? What is it he's going to do for you? And how is it going to change your life? How do I mean? When they ask Policia Governor, why did you join the business? He said it's because of vision. That's residual income. So what is your own? When you try to explain to him, he's going to like his own. Now listen to this. Then you ask him about the launch part and the slow and steady part. Launch part is when you say, okay, you know, consistency is not something that is easy. Tell them, I myself, I'm still fighting with consistency. I have some mentors that are guiding me through. Hello? So me and you can work together on our consistency. But if you want to do it on your own, maybe in 20 years, in 20 years, you are still doing this business. Anyhow, you can choose slow and steady path. So you choose launch path. Then the next question is, how much would you need to get excited about your own business? How much would you need to make to get yourself excited about this business per month? Think about the business you are doing before. How much can you make now that can make you to say, okay, this business really worth your time? Hello, you're going to write it down. Some people find it hard to write it down. Then you are going to define it for them. Like somebody that is a professor, has gone to BSc, MSc, PhD, has become all those things and has become professor. Let's say he studied for 20 years or 25 years and is earning a salary of 600 or 500,000 naira. It's really worth his own time. But if there's something he can do aside that can give you that kind of income, he's going to appreciate it. So you are helping to divide it. So it won't be a IP 10 billion. Hello? Then when it comes to this time, what will you do with the money? I'm not asking about personal things. Before this money can come to you, let's say you write 1 million. 1 million naira is not your money. I hope you know. It is the environment that has trusted you with your money. There are some money you have, it is for you alone. To spend on your eating and all those things and your clothing. There are some money you have, it is for you and your family. While there are some money you have, it is for the whole environment. So if some money comes to you, it's because the universe has trusted you that you can save the environment. That's why you have such huge sum of money. So what do you do to humanity when you make this kind of money? Hello? Then you come down to how many hours per week? You can bring it down to per day. Do you want to commit to do this business in order to achieve that said income? If it is launch pad, so I pay 5 hours per week, 6 hours per week. But yeah, I get a split ìgbà tó máa máa láyè. Ṣé Monday, Wednesday, Thursday ni? Àbí Wednesday to Friday? Hello, get clarity. Can I get clarity? On Monday, if you are choosing 1 hour per day, is it within the hour of 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. or 10 a.m. to so far no sure? When you have a decade of plan, you have been living more than a decade before, and you know how your schedules fall to. I hope you are getting me. I used to use that one to get there. Almost schedule for the past decade, which is equal to the next decade. I hope you are getting me. So you can carve out a schedule and tell me if it's going to bend, business is flexible, call me ahead. Then after that time, Totimu, for how many months would you need to be consistently to achieve the said income? But this business is 2 to 4 years plan. Hello? I gave an example of Ambassador Taufik that saw a man that is making 1 million naira per month. Then after 3 years, those man 1 million naira per week. So it's a kind of income that he carved in his head when he started the business, just like expectation management. Then the next one is there's a penalty. Just like a play between me and you, since we are dealing with our own commitment. And it might be busy, but I'm going to remind you. This time that you choose, if you don't have time this time, how much are you going to pay? I hope you are getting what I'm saying. Some people find it hard to pay. Somebody told me he's going to pay 1,000 naira and I remove 1,000 naira and give the person. Say, you won't pay 1,000 naira. Even if you are late for everything, you pay 2,000 naira. So he wrote 2,000 naira and say, okay, you can put 2,000 naira. So any day is late, I'll say, hello, where my 2,000 naira. Now, after that time, you have got the time commitment. What do? Then you do activities planning. You now be like, come on Monday, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. What do? You now like introduction to your first year in network marketing. On Wednesday, Abi, on Wednesday, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Chapter 1 of your first year in network marketing. Thursday, lálẹ́ 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Chapter 2 of your first year in network marketing. The next time tó tún wá náà ráyè ó ní Monday again. Àbí yóò wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú kíni the system. Hello. Then the next time tó ráyè ó ní Wednesday. Ṣẹ́ngẹ̀t yóò ṣe kíni kí ló kù ní week 1. Ó ti recommendation should be the first thing. Àbí you can tell him to do a review of gbogbo nǹkan tó ti learn. I hope you are getting me. Then what do you now do as a leader? You now tell him, come on Thursday, there's going to be a general accountability. Come on Thursday, 4 p.m. So he can enter business plan again. Hello? Business plan to start week 2. He can enter business plan again. On Thursday, tó bá yá ẹ máa ṣe general accountability gbogbo nǹkan tó ti ṣe ní week 1. Then you now help him to set the activities in week 2 with the first activity being business plan by 4:30 the same Thursday. As I say, exposure over exposure.
Exposure over exposure.
If you can do this with the 20 people you have signed at each leg, you are going to retain 2 leaders. 10 people will be coming to 17 and 2 of them will choose to be a leader. I hope you have gained value. Yes. Then how can you get 20 people on each leg? Let me just be fast with this. How can you get 20 people on each leg? Can somebody say challenge 100 on seats? Can somebody say challenge 100 on seats?
Challenge 100 on seats.
If you have challenge 100 on seats and you have seen the whole thing, what do? The first month, step by challenge 100 on seats, it means you invited 100 people throughout that month. which is 20% according to Pareto's principle. 20% will register. When you do 20% of 100 is what? 20. When you do expectation management with them, 10 will come to 70, then you have 2 leaders. Hello? Towards that leg. The second month, when we build the second leg, challenge 100 on seats. Third month, challenge 100 on seats. Fourth month, challenge 100 on seats. Fifth month, challenge 6 months, then we build the 4 leg. Fifth month, what do you start? As I say coaching.
Coaching.
As I say coaching.
Coaching.
By that time, you should have become a cluster leader. Then on the 6th month, you start keeping. As I say keeping.
Keeping.
Then you face the next 4 legs again with challenge what? 100 or seats for 4 months. Then you start coaching for the 5th month. Then keeping for the 6th month. Who see possibility here? So I'm talking about how you can make, in your first year you make 1 million naira per month. In your second year you should be making 1 million naira per week. In your third year 1 million naira in 2 to 3 days. And in your fourth year you should be making 1 million naira per day. And how can you do that? If you are consistent with the principle and the guidance here. So business need clarity, and this is clear to us already. But never joke with expectation.
Management.
With God on our side.
We are unstoppable.